Hi everyone, I have the new Cirque du Soleil perfume here. Look how pretty it is. From the bottle design to the perfume to the design of the box, the whole presentation is amazing. I think they are trying to mimic the whole experience in Cirque du Soleil from this German wheel that they are trying to mimic the design here to the scent itself. And the bottle is beautiful ombre color. So let's try it together. So the opening is this beautiful buttery popcorn. It has this sweetness of caramelized popcorn, and it's buttery and it's delicious. So if you are a gourmand lover, you probably would like this. And dry down is this beautiful apple scent. So it has the sweetness of caramelized popcorn, and it has the tartness of candy apple and some cotton candy as well. So I feel like, it's like when you're going to the show and you have the candy apple and you have caramelized popcorn and you have cotton candy and you have a bite of each, the whole, scent profile is in this perfume. Do you like any of the Cirque du Soleil shows? Which one is your favorite? And have you tried this one? If so, I would love to hear your thoughts on it.